Hi there, welcome to Imran Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make tandoori chicken. We are using leg bag attach. This is 3 leg bag attached on the like a regular size, almost half kg. So in my career, last 30 years in my profession, there was lots of recipe I already used to, but this is the one of the I found it best recipe. So today I will share with you guys. So first we will make the some special masala, garam masala for the tandoori. So main thing is you need to know how much quantity you have to put the spices, whole spices. So like suppose you are making garam masala. So most of the mixed maximum item is coriander and cumin seeds. Is like a 2 spoon coriander, 1 spoon cumin seeds and 2 cardamoms, black cardamom, 3 green cardamom, 4 clove and some jaffel and some javitri. It's like a nutmeg and some fennel seeds, cinnamon stick and some black pepper. So this is the combination of the masala for tandoori today. So I already roasted and last night, so now I have to grind it. And it has to be fine grinding. So I can feel it. Its flavor is very delicious, very good flavor, because sometimes you need some spices. You have to make the fresh one. It will give you the nice flavor and freshness. So now let's start. First we will cut the chicken. So I'll show you how to cut the chicken. I already made. You need a fresh lemon juice. So this is 1.5 lemon. I already squeezed it. So there is one common mistake most of the people does at home. When you cut the chicken, they already cut here, here, then here. They leave this portion. This is with bone. So you must cut from here. Even we cook at tandoor at the restaurant, so you have to cut like this because it's bone. If you don't cut this one after cooking like a 1 hour, if you are still cooking, and there will be blood inside, so you need to cut from here little bit. So let's start now making the marination. So there is a different way you can make the marination. So today I will show you my way. This is I found the best way. So this is like a 1/4 cup of lemon juice fresh. You have to put inside the bowl. Then after that, we are making little bit spicy. If you don't like spicy, you can cut down. So this is 2 teaspoon red chili powder and 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon salt as taste, and this is 4 tablespoon oil, and this is like a half teaspoon methi leaves. So you have to crush it, and this is 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and this is, we are making restaurant style. Look has to be good. So I have to use little bit, half 1/4 teaspoon red orange color. Taste and look has to be perfect. So this is, I already made the garam masala. I made little bit extra, and now I am using 1 tablespoon 2 tablespoons garam masala for tandoori special. Now we have to mix it all this thing with the whisk until the oil dissolves. So oil has to be mixed with all the spices. The lemon juice and all the spices make you the very good tasty flavor. So it's already done. So now I have to add little bit yogurt. I already beat it, so don't eat too much. We don't add too much yogurt. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoon, 3 tablespoon, 4 tablespoon. That's all. We'll mix it again. So mixture is ready. Now I have to add the chicken. You have to mix it very well. You try to put all the spices. I already cut it. It has to be go inside the cut like this. Both side. Mix it well. Then put another one. Marination has to be good, for tasty. And also one more thing, marination, if you keep it longer, it will give it taste, more tasty. Because spices and all the lemon juice has to be absorbed inside the chicken, then it will create the taste. So now we are doing show, we don't have time, but I'll give you suggest you have a party, anything, if you make a plan for tomorrow. So make it the marination for night time and make it tomorrow. But before you put the chicken on the pan, you have to take it out from the refrigerator outside, bring it to the room temperature. So marination is ready. So now I have to keep it at least 1 hour and see you after 1 hour. So marination is ready. Now I have to start cooking. So this is grill pan I am using. If you like to cook in the oven, you can cook it, but temperature should be 350 degree Fahrenheit from 35 minutes to 45 minutes between, or you can cook at the grill pan. So I am cooking with the grill pan. So I already preheated grill pan last 10 minutes on medium heat. So we already brush it some oil. So put some extra oil, grill. So I'll mix it again little bit before we put the chicken on the grill. So we'll cook it at medium heat. So because it's boneless with bone, so we need to cook slow motion. So it will at least you have to cook 10 minutes one side and 10 minutes later we'll flip it another side. Then later I have to cover with the foil paper because it's with bone, so it will be help you to cook fast. See you after 10 minutes. So it's already cooking for the last 10 minutes. Now time to flip the chicken to other side. This is like a big size of chicken leg. So we have to portion for the cook slow motion. And now what should I do? I have to cover with the aluminum foil. So it will be cooked fast because with the bone it will take time. So best thing, just cover it with the aluminum foil for the next 10 minutes. Then after that we will see. So time to check the chicken. So chicken is I already covered it because it's too big size. So you need to cover it. So I already flipped twice. First time 10 minutes. The second time I will put 5 minutes. So now how do you know don't broke the chicken? How do you know chicken is cooked? Number one, you can see the joint. I already cut it and there is no blood. You can see it. That means it's ready. And also there will be no water on the, you can see all the cuts. If is there any water, that means it's not cooked properly. So now turn off the gas. So we'll give them some smoke flavor of the traditional, the charcoal flavor. So I already burned one piece of charcoal. So I'll put on top of the chicken. Now I'll put some oil. Then it will create the smoke. Cover it for 10 minutes. Okay, now time to garnish. Presentation has to be look beautiful. And if you enjoy my recipe, like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching Imran Kitchen.